This is the MV Agusta F4CC. Only 100 made. A $120,000 masterpiece of speed, design, and exclusivity. Carbon fiber everywhere. Red pinstripes. Polished metals. The MV Agusta F4CC is pure Italian art. 200 horsepower. Titanium internals.
1078 cm3 inline 4.
The MV Agusta F4CC doesn't just ride, it explodes. Öhlins suspension. Brembo brakes. No rider modus. The MV Agusta F4CC gives you full raw control. MV Agusta F4CC isn't just a bike, it's a legend.
Rare, fast, and unforgettable.
The MV Agusta F4CC is electronically limited to 315 km/h. Built around a tubular steel trellis frame with aluminum side plates, rigid and lightweight. The fuel tank holds 21 liters, good for aggressive weekend rides.